What's good, YouTube fam? Swaggytrice here, giving you guys another video for today. Now, this video has been, Lord, I've been waiting a long time.
Finally! I've been trying to catch you boys all day!
Well, not just in particular for one pair of shoes, but I'm gonna be reviewing two of the same pair of shoes, just two different colorways since they came in around the same time. So I just thought I could knock out, two birds, one stone. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. As you guys can tell by the title of the video, I will be reviewing the Toliver Reebok ice cream board flips and the pink lemonade ice cream board flips. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so we got the boxes.
Oh my god.
Yes sir, yes sir. Hey man, what y'all think about Drake dropping 3 albums, gang? Like, I've been on Iceman heavy, so it's been good. To say the least, it's been good. Remember in high school when these were like just a hot commodity, man. Like, everybody had to have them. You had to go to the skate shop to get them. And around here, we got a skate shop called Clockwork. And they will always be sold out. Always. So this is the pink lemonade pair. Very bright, loud shoe. I love it. So I still have my other pair. I don't think I'm going to compare them or anything, but for the most part, I know they use, different materials on the shoes. These do look a tad bit bulkier than what I remember. So yeah, do get an extra pair of laces. I think I'm gonna just keep these pink laces in. So you got ice cream on the tongue right there, the logo, ice cream on the heel. Then you got that logo right there on the back. Ice cream cone on the bottom. And on the inside, the guts, you got that yellow banana looking color with ice cream on the inside. Now, they do feel a lot more padded than before, so I guess that's good and whatnot. So they had, of course, released back then around like 09, 08, 09, 10, something like that. So they had to, I guess beef it back up for the skaters and whatnot. Now, I don't skate, but I used to try to. I used to try to then, but yeah. So you got this pair, very good, clean. Just happy to have them. Now, somebody said Reebok was. I saw recently. I think somebody in my comments had said, a lot of people sleep on Reebok, and I think it's just because Reebok is an established brand, and they've dropped like some cool sneakers from the AIs to the ice creams to the Shaq Gnosis to dang, I can't think of the Reebok silhouette. I can't think of, but Reebok does have like timeless sneakers, and they don't need to be slept on. Now, what y'all probably here for, the main event. Damn, they got so much paper wrapped around it. So, this fell off. So we got the ice cream Toliver right there. That was attached to one of these keychains or whatever, but here's the shoe. Y'all see it.
Oh my god.
In its glory. And this one is the Toliver banana split. Got a Toliver up here. I'm curious to how much these are right now, but you got an extra set of laces, of course. I'm probably just gonna keep these yellow laces in. Ice cream on the back as well. cream on the bottom. You know, the same. Now on the insole, I might try to take them out. I hate taking them out, showing them, but let me see if I can get it out. Nah, I can't get that whole out. This one has more of a, like y'all can see that, more of a detailed look on the inside. Let me see. I wonder if it's the same. Oh, so on this one, take this other shoe tree out. So on this one, it has that octane. I don't know if y'all can see it, like the little logo in there. Y'all can kind of see it or whatever, but these are clean. I waited. Pre-orders on these started last year. I don't even remember, gang. And they said it was supposed to come April. Ended up shipping out in May. But the materials on this shoe is pretty much similar to, let me get the other one. Pretty much similar to the pink lemonades. Yeah, they are very, very similar. So same materials, nothing different except for the inside of the shoes. So on the inside of this one, you got ice cream, and then you got Don Toliver's Octane little logo going on, that little situation. So overall, good. They're pretty close to the originals. I'm gonna just go and get my other pair that I have real quick. So bear with me. Hold on. Okay, so this is my pair. Now I did put white laces in these because I thought the white laces were clean. They like super tight. Damn. Now I would suggest going true to size as well. On these, I think when I got these, they didn't have a 10.5. They had a 11, but these still fit smooth. So, in which these aren't. No. These are a 10.5. I think. Dang, these are a 10.5. So do go true to size. I think in my other pair that I had the black and pink pair, and I had got those at like a 10. I think they were a size 10, and they were like very snug. So go true to size, and I ended up having to sell those. I wish I would have sold them for a lot more because the resale just went crazy, I guess, when they were starting to bring them back. But all right, so that's the pair. Now, like I said, these are a lot bulkier. Are they? Oh, okay. So let's do the Dons. Okay, so let's see. So shoe wise, material wise, sort of similar but different. Okay, so this is a softer material versus this material. It's more it's not even like a suede, it's more like a synthetic leather almost, I guess. Yeah. And the tongues are almost similar, but I can tell with these, the newer models, they're much plush. They're much plush. Like they beefed it up. Yeah, so not much of a difference that I'm seeing. Yeah, but they did beef it up. Yeah, it's a lot bigger. I don't know. And then I guess because I just had my pair. Because look at the back. Like, look at them. Like, a lot beefier than the OGs. So, yep. But that's the review, guys. I didn't want to hold y'all or, you know, keep y'all longer than what you needed to be here for. So hopefully you're able to cop a pair of the pink lemonades or the watermelon colorway or whatever. So hopefully you're able to cop, or if you purchased or pre-ordered the Don Tolivers, hopefully you finally got your pair in. It's been a long time coming, but we finally made it. Before I get out of here, of course I gotta give y'all the on feet. And I wanted to see what the resale on the Don Toliver ice creams were real quick before we get out. Let's see. I'm gonna just go to StockX and see. No, not that bad, because I assume because they came in already. So for my size, it's just 310, 438. So size 12.5 is over $1,000. That's crazy. Yeah, okay. All right, so not too bad if you want to cop them, but let's go ahead and get into the on feed. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and leave a comment, please, because it helps my channel out. So I'm still trying to grind it out to 10K subscribers this year. Subscribe, please, if you're not subscribed already. Hopefully you guys are doing good, doing well. Keep God first. Keep praying, manifesting, doing all that good stuff. And whatever you're praying for, wishing for, it will come to you. You just have to be patient, pray, and work towards it, and stay focused. Don't get distracted. Stay focused and stay prayed up. But all right, let's go ahead and get to the on feed. Swaggytrice them out. Be on the lookout for more videos that's on the way. Peace.